No, what am I hearing?
Northwestern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon. South central Multnomah County in northwestern Oregon. South central Clark County in southwestern Washington until 4:30 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jennings Lodge, or near Oregon City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oregon City, Portland, Vancouver.
No, why did you activate?
West Lynn, Milwaukee, Camas, Troutdale, Gladstone, Maywood Park, Oatfield, Powell, Centennial, Hazelwood, Boring, Jennings Lodge, Mill Plain, Clackamas, Happy Valley, and Damascus. In Washington, this includes State Route 14 between mile markers 8 and 13. This includes the following highways in Oregon: Interstate 205 between mile markers 5 and 23 and near mile marker 25. Interstate 84 between mile markers 5 and 17. U.S. Highway 26 east of Portland between mile markers 4 and 20. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes.
A possible tornado?
Thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG 98 broadcasting on...
Okay, this is a first alert for this radio here. This is a first alert for this radio here. I have not gotten an alert on this radio yet on camera. And today is my lucky day. This is my first alert. This is my first alert on this radio. And it's going to be on my new EAS Catches channel. Or not really new now, because it's been around for like a few now. But yeah. And then there's okay, the unrecognized message still pops up. And then there's the severe thunder. And then here's the 30-minute severe thunderstorm. And then here is the first alert on this. Man, if there's ever a tornado, then it's gonna go off on this, I know. But me clueless, after the tornado warning, I just missed on this. Yes, the tornado warning. The tornado warning, I missed. And then here's the severe thunderstorm warning. I mean, the heck? Okay. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Yes.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
That has never happened before, where the situation where the severe thunderstorm turns into a tornado. But I have not gotten a tornado warning before. I have not gotten a tornado warning before. This is another surprise SVR. Are you, really? This is another surprise SVR. Because, oh my gosh. I was minding my own business. And then this popped up. I hear my radios go off. I was watching a video about radios. And then, all of a sudden, I hear my radios go off. And then when I come in, then it's just... Okay. Alright. Now that I got that out of my system. Hold on. It is not thundering. right now. It is not thundering. Or, it's not thundering or like raining at all. Doesn't look like. I could be wrong though. I'm just looking outside my window. And then I see this here. And then, like, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Like, what? No. Why you gotta surprise me like that? Bro. Man, I'm going to post when this turns into a tornado warning because it says be on the lookout for possible tornadoes. So, yeah. If this does ever turn into a tornado warning, I'll just catch it because I'm home now, so I can catch it. Unlike that one tornado warning that I missed. Yeah. But anyways, I'm just going to stop the video here. And if I do ever catch like another severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning, possibly, then I'll post it. So, yeah.